Hey guys, thanks for coming to this video. Today we are going to be testing out this Bedhead Wave Artist Deep Waver thingy. I'm going to see if it works good. I've been wanting one for a while, so if you want to see me use this and test it out, then let's get into it. Right, so I have been wanting one of these like weird waver thingies for a while. I'm in this like Facebook makeup group, and one of the girls posted a picture of this from Target.com, and it was only like $16.99, and so I was like, that's a really good price for that. I wonder if they have it in the store. So I went to Target and found this, and it's $29.99 in the store. So I ended up getting it, bringing it up, and showing her. I'm like, you guys have it online for like $16.99. So she just changed the price. She didn't even like check my phone really. She just glanced at it. So I thought that was really cool. I know I've tried to do price matching at Walmart before, like with their online stuff, and they won't do it. They won't match their own prices online, which is really weird. So I thought this was really cool that they just do that for you automatically. And I'm going to test this out and see if it's any good, because I really want like more, not like ringlet-y curls. I feel like with the straight iron, I usually curl my hair with that, and it kind of does more a little bit ringlet style. I want more like just a nice wave. So let's see if this does that. So I plugged it in, turn it on. There's a little high and low dial, so I'm going to turn it in the middle, because I don't want to use too much heat. And let's see what it says on how to use this. Work from the scalp to the ends of dry hair, starting at the roots. Lightly clamp a small section of hair between barrels. Hold your Bedhead Wave Artist Deep Waver in the position for a few seconds, depending on your hair type. Release the handles and let the hair slip out. For continuous waves, match the outermost wave of your hair with the barrel and hold in position again for a few seconds. Repeat the process until desired look is achieved. Finish your look with a final layer of Bedhead Masterpiece Hairspray, or whatever hairspray. Okay, seems pretty easy. I do need to get a hair clip to put up the rest of my hair. Okay, it has this little like lock unlock thing, so you have to unlock it. It seems really hot. I'm gonna turn it down, because I don't want to fry my hair. So I'm just going to take my hair, let's section it off right here. Ooh, it smells really hot. It's probably just because it's the first time it's being turned on, but... So just brush out my hair. And I'm going to be using the Way Texturizing Hairspray. This is my favorite hairspray ever. It lasts so long. So it says to mist it a little bit before. So we'll do that. And then I'll also go in and spray after, so that hopefully whatever wave we get going holds for several days. All right. This is huge. Okay, and there's a lot of metal, hot metal, so hopefully I don't burn myself with this. Okay, I like that. That was easy. Hopefully I can get it to not look so frizzy at the ends with the little like hair oil at the end. But let's just keep on going. get my ends like not looking that good. Oh. It's making me very nervous because it's so hot. Let me turn it up a little bit. Maybe it just needs a little more heat. I mean, it's pretty easy. I've seriously been looking for one of these for a long time, and for some reason they're kind of hard to find. Like a lot of times TJ Maxx will have a lot of like hair tools and stuff, but I haven't seen any of the waver ones. And I'm usually shopping at TJ Maxx. Like that's the usual place that I go. So I go to Target a lot, but I'm usually not in that section. So when I saw that and I went to Target, I was like, of course, let me check that out. And I mean, it was Target, so I had to get a bunch of other stuff too, of course. Okay, so maybe the medium heat is the best. I feel like that's given me a little more. I'm excited to change up my hair. I think I just get in this like rut where I just do the same hairstyle, either just straight or just curled with my flat iron, and it gets boring. It's like, I need a change. And I'm getting my hair done in a couple weeks, and I'm thinking of maybe doing something different, but I don't really know what. Like, I don't want to go short. I'm gonna cut off maybe a couple inches, but like, should I do a different color? I don't know. But now that I got the hang of it, I'll probably just speed through the rest and just get this done. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. Gives you a lot of volume. So I think that looks really nice. I like it. So I'll show you the back. Gives like so much volume. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this coconut milk by OGX Anti-Breakage Serum. I just love putting this into my hair, mainly like from here down, just to kind of help separate and give my hair some shine down there. So I want to be careful though not to break up these waves too much, because I have a feeling they could get really frizzy. See, that oil just adds so much shine and like just makes it look so much better. Add a little to the top too, because I have little like frizzy flyaway thingies. So I'll let you look at the back again now that I did the oil. I think that looks pretty good. And it wasn't that hard. Just takes a little more time than curling with a flat iron. So I really like that. I would say definitely if you have the chance to either pick this up in the store or online, just make sure if you go in the store, show them the online price and get basically half off, because that's a really good deal. I feel like it's like very like mermaidy hair. Like if I had like blonde hair or even like colored hair and you did this, that would look, you'd be a mermaid. You would just be an actual mermaid. So if you want to be a mermaid, get this little hair waver, the wave artist, whatever it's called, and live your best life as a mermaid. I don't know. But I think it's fun to just switch up your hair. I really do love how much volume this is giving me right here. I feel like sometimes my hair is kind of flat and I don't like to curl up here more. I like to like keep it a little straight and then start curling it. So it's just a fun little way to switch up your hairstyles. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.